What's up, guys? Today we're going to change out the cabin air filter for a 2019 Toyota Tundra. I think the second gen Tundras, I think 2014 to 2021 are all the same. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, whatever. It takes about 60 seconds. Do it yourself. They're about $18, $19. You can order them online, you get them at Walmart. Don't pay the $50 at the dealership. You can do it yourself. It's super simple. I'll show you how it's done. We can literally do it in 60 seconds. Here we go. All right, we're at the bench. Today for my cabin air filter for my 2019 Toyota Tundra, I'm going to use the Fram True Air Filter. This model is the Toyota model. It is CV10285. This is what I'm going to be using. Sure, there's other ones out there. It's a cabin filter, nothing too crazy. I don't need to spend a ton of money. This guy was $18 at Walmart. You can get them at Walmart. You can get them at any auto parts store. You can get them on Amazon. Just do it yourself. It's cheap, easy, save money. Side-by-side comparison. This is my new one. This is the old one. Disgusting. New one, old one. All right, let's swap them. All right, here we go. So you're gonna open up your glove box. There's a little bracket that goes right here. In the middle, pops right out. Take it out, and as you can see right there, there is a little latch. I'm gonna try to do it one-handed so I can hold the camera. So you literally push up, comes right out. Look at that. And then right here is your filter. Pop your filter out, put the new one back in. Put it back on, close your air box or your glove box, and you're done. That's how easy it is. You can do it. It's $20 for a filter. Don't go to dealership. They can charge you anywhere from 50, 60, 70 bucks. That's literally all it is. Do it yourself. Save money. Thanks so much, guys. Like and share and subscribe. It helps me out. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.